How to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages. First thing, open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode like this. Go back and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have. So you have to wait a few seconds, exactly like this. And after it gets finished loading, it will show you all the apps that you have. As you can see, scroll until you find the messenger. When you find the Facebook Messenger, just click on it like this. Click on force stop and then click on storage. Click on clear data. Click on delete. Go back and then click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the phone permission and the storage permission. And now click on force stop and turn off the airplane mode and reopen Messenger. Don't forget to like, subscribe.